The kitchen is one of the principal rooms that you see when you come in through the front door. We are completely transforming this kitchen, yet we are leaving some of the existing cabinets in place. What we've done is we've selected a gorgeous range, which is going to be a key feature and a real focal point in this kitchen. It's going to be right at the back wall, and that's why we've ripped out some of the existing cabinets. We're also putting in a brand new hood design that's going to complement our gorgeous gold and black range. Now you can see that the existing cabinets here were a cream tone, but what we're doing is we're giving it a real pop of color, and we're painting these out in a sage color. So if you can only imagine, this kitchen is going to be a combination of sage and green colors. We're now in the room directly across from the kitchen. We've designed two beautiful brand new cabinets in a slightly more classic style to complement some of the other features on the main floor. We're going to have a beautiful seating area, and all of the finishes and colors are going to tie into our kitchen and main floor spaces.